Disease. It has a sobering effect on people's lifespans in developed nations, but it's even more startling in developing nations, particularly among the very young. Newborns and infants often don't have reliable access to diagnostics and must wait for lab tests that could take days or longer. To change this, a tool for newborns and infants, a biosensor, is being developed by the University of Guelph's BioNano Lab in Canada. Dr. Suresh Natarajan heads the research team.
By using biomarkers in body sweat, malnutrition, respiratory infections, heart disease, jaundice, and hepatitis can be identified at the point of care. A sensor that is worn by the infant measures the sweat components of sodium, pH levels, and the concentration of a biomarker, miRNA, using a graphene-coated patch, and the data is sent to a computer module that is relayed to a mobile phone via Bluetooth, resulting in an instant diagnosis.
The biosensor can be adjusted to be highly specific in reading sweat components or biomarkers by restructuring metal nanoparticles on the graphene patch, thus providing easy and quick identification of certain diseases. The disposable patch has a low cost that makes the device affordable for healthcare organizations and medical agencies. Mortality from disease among newborns and infants from poor nations is high due to a lack of healthcare facilities coupled with poor sanitation and insufficient nourishment, further complicated by newborns' undeveloped immune systems. The discrepancy of infant mortality between global regions becomes apparent when compared to a developed country like Canada. Not all of these deaths are a result of disease, but the ratio substantially increases in poor nations. Testing of the biosensor will be performed in rural areas of India in conjunction with Dr. Ravi Upadhyay of the Center for Health Research and Development in New Delhi. In areas where it may take days to travel for medical assistance, such a tool for roaming healthcare workers is indispensable for saving time by providing rapid screening to patients and ultimately saving young lives.